Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Michael, and in this video we will be talking about how to get more views on YouTube right here in 2018. And good news is you can win again. In this video right here, you can win 3 copies of the Tube Millionaire course, meaning 3 of you guys will actually be able to win the Tube Millionaire course. All you have to do is put a comment down below. Write a comment, ask me a nice question that I can use for another video and I can answer the question and stuff. Be sure to write a long, informative comment, a good one, and I will pick randomly 3 people that I will give the whole award-winning Tube Millionaire course for free. I did it last time with the video marketing agency, which is a huge success, by the way. Sales are rolling in like crazy, but I gave it out to 5 lucky people and they actually love it, okay? So let's get straight into the video right here. I prepared 5 different things that I wanna be talking about, 5 steps, 5 tips that you guys can use all the time to get more views on YouTube, right? This stuff will work. It's proven, these are proven strategies and they will actually work. So be sure to check it out right now. All right, guys, so here we go. As I said, 5 things. I will right now give you 5 things that you can use in order to get more views on YouTube. And the very first thing that I want to be talking about is simply the fact, and that's something that you do before you actually upload a video. That's also one mistake a lot of people make. They make videos, they're trying to upload them, and then they wonder why they don't get views, but they haven't done the research that it actually takes in order to get a lot of views before you actually upload the video. To be honest, most of the time, the research that you do or that you have to do is basically almost like 80% of the whole deal, right? So if you're just randomly thinking about video ideas and how to make videos and stuff, and what to make videos about and stuff, it will probably not work. So what you have to do is you have to actually know what people actually want from you. Like, what are they searching for? So there are specific niches, right? And whenever you want to start a new YouTube channel, you will most likely be in some kind of niche, right? So an example would be, let's say you are in the fitness niche, or you're in the, like me, for example, like in the make money online niche, teaching people how to make money and stuff like this. No matter what niche you're in, it's always the same process. And what you have to do is when you go to youtube.com and you go to the search bar up there, you will see that when you type in a specific keyword, YouTube will suggest other results, right? So it will suggest results. As you can see, when we type in, for example, how to make money online, there's different keywords popping up. And these are the exact keywords that people are actually searching for. So that tells us, and that's something I did in the very beginning when I first started my YouTube channel. I just typed that in and then I made a video for almost each and every keyword. And you can do this with so many different keywords. So right there, when you do this one time, bam, you already have 10 new keyword and video ideas, right? Where you already know that if you get this video shown for this keyword, people will click it, and if the content is good, they will watch it, guys. They will actually watch it. So that's a pretty big deal right here, right? And a lot of people don't do this. They just randomly upload videos and then complain why it doesn't work, okay? So the next thing, the second thing I got prepared for you guys is, and that's something I realized recently actually, and that's create longer videos, right? Before that, 99% of the time, I was creating videos that were anywhere from 7 to 30 minutes long, right? Don't get me wrong, these can be great videos and they can have a high conversion rate, they can attract a lot of people, but what I noticed is that long videos, they have 2 effects. When I say long, I mean anywhere from around 15 to 25 minutes. I recently uploaded a video, it was almost 40 minutes long. It was a very groundbreaking, successful video. You can check this out. It was about a video marketing agency where I explained everything on how to do it and stuff. And we made a lot of sales through this video. So that's pretty insane right here. By the way though, you want to get videos up there that are actually kind of long. At least try to make every 5th or 6th video on your channel a longer video, right? So there's 2 things there's 2 positive things that happen when you do this, right? So the first one is you actually get a high retention rate on your videos, meaning the retention rate of your video always means what's the percentage of how long people actually watch your video. So let's say the video is 20 minutes long, a person's watching for 10 minutes, that means you have a 50% retention rate. So, and the goal on YouTube is to get this retention rate up very, very high, up to 70, 80%, right? So why that is the case is because of the YouTube algorithm, right? So when you have a video that's watched for a very long time, YouTube actually sees this, analyzes this, and it tells them this video is a good video, so we show it higher in the search and we recommend it to other people who are watching other videos because people enjoy watching it, obviously, because they keep watching for a specific amount of time. If you have a video and it's 10 minutes long and people only watch 1 minute of it or 2 minutes, YouTube knows that people don't actually enjoy watching it and click away, so there's no point for them to recommend it to other people, right? So that's the big thing right here, right? So that's the thing when it comes to ranking, but it also has a second thing that's really positive, and it's engagement. It's simply engagement, because when you have the chance to get people, and that's almost kind of like a webinar effect, when you get people to watch a very long video of yours, they will engage with you more. They will get to know you way better as a person, and they will listen to you more, what you say, and you have the opportunity to go more in depth with what you're trying to tell them, and you can later on even sell them stuff in these kind of videos. So that's a pretty good thing depending on your niche. So the next thing that I want to be talking about are lists. Okay, so as you can see, for example, and that's a thing when it comes to the video structure, right? So a lot of people make the mistake to just have a video, they give it a title, and then they just bam, they just go through the whole video without any structure, right? So for example, you can see this video right here is structured in like 5 different points, right? So I give you 5 things that you can do in order to get more views. And that has the great effect. And if you're watching this right now, still, it kind of proves it that you want to go through the video and you want to know each and every step. So right now we're step 3, right? So you already know there's 2 more things that are coming for you, right? So you keep watching. If I just went through the whole video without giving you any structure, you would still probably be watching it, most of you guys, but it would not work as good and many people would just drop off, right? So that's a good thing to structure a video. In the Tube Millionaire course, by the way, that I'm giving out for free in this video, if you leave a comment, I'm actually talking about like a method that I personally use, especially in the beginning, called the 4-step success formula. And it's basically giving you a blueprint on how to structure a video so that the conversion rate and the retention rate goes up, right? And that a lot of people keep watching and eventually even sign up for the stuff, whatever you're trying to sell them. Again, depending on the niche that you're in. Obviously, I'm in a make money online niche. We are just selling stuff, right? We're just doing things, we're promoting stuff. Other niches, it's not so good if you're just hardcore selling on like YouTube or something, right? But that's really up to you and depending on your niche, okay? So the 4th thing, and that's probably the most important thing actually when it comes to YouTube that I want to be talking about is do YouTube SEO, search engine optimization, right? There's tools out there, for example, VideoSniper Pro, that help you to actually rank your videos for specific keywords. Because the thing I told you before, like when you do the search thing, right? When you search for keywords and stuff, of course, that's not all, right? You also have to rank your videos for that keyword, right? So without doing that, without uploading them correctly, meaning without having the perfect title, the perfect description, the perfect tags, and what the software does is it reverse engineers the YouTube algorithm and analyzes your competition, meaning what they do in order to rank and what keywords they're using, and then it actually generates the phrases that you can use in your description to actually outrank your competition, okay? And that's a really big thing right here. If you don't do this, and there's also a lot of different other tricks and methods, like for example, uploading the thumbnail of your YouTube video with the same name as your title, meaning the file name has the same title as your actual YouTube video title that you upload. Also, like the video file that you upload, you also want to give it the same name as your title so you can make sure it ranks for that keyword, right? So these are all tricks. I teach it in the Tube Millionaire course and in various other training, even free trainings and stuff, webinars and stuff, okay? This is something that you want to do and you have to do. You really have to do it. If you don't do this, you will not rank and nobody will see your videos. That's why this is so important, and that's why I think this is the most important step right here of the 5 few things that I'm talking about right now that you have to consider if you want to actually get more views on YouTube, okay? Okay, point number 5, guys. That's the last one right here. It's also very important, And you have to understand there's two types of keywords, right? There's long tail and short tail keywords. And that's the same thing for all the guys who are doing Google SEO and stuff like this. On Google, there's just more opportunity because you have the keywords planner and stuff, and you can like research every single keyword and stuff. And YouTube, you don't have that, okay? There's two different types of keywords, long tail, short tail, okay? So an example for this would be, for example, how to make money online 500 a day. That would be a long tail keyword, right? Because it consists of more than 3 words, right? A short tail keyword would probably be money online, okay? So the thing is, on one hand, there are more people searching for a short-term one, like make money online or money online, but the competition is higher. So if you have a new channel and you want to get started, the chances for you, like with 0 subscribers and 0 channel authority, that's how we call it, the chances for you to rank for such a keyword are really kind of low. So what you want to do is, same thing when you have a video marketing agency, for example, what you want to do is you try to go from long tail to short tail, right? So your first few videos, you should always try to rank them for a long tail keyword, right? So how to make money online in 2018, right? Because these keywords, they're way easier to rank, right? So you first 10, 20 videos, you do it that way, and then you slowly but surely get to the short tail keywords to get more and more views, right? So you got to start small with this stuff, right? So that's basically what I had for you guys today. I hope I could provide some value. Be sure to leave a comment to win the Tube Millionaire course. Also be sure, as always, to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to not miss any videos. So yeah, be sure to try out this method. Let me know if you got more views. And yeah, see you guys soon.